our owner asked some quite a typical normal fashion. He sent out an email to our director of operations, and he, got it, and he was like, well, what's going on with these part numbers on this line? And this was a few weeks ago, but okay. He replied to the email, and he's like, well, I think this is what the problem is. And I pulled the actual production detail from Mingo for those 3 days, or for the last 2 months, and I laid it all out, and you can see, okay, on this part number, their average performance is 115%. On this one, it's 100. On this one, it's 97. On this one, it's 125. And you can see the consistency there of, like, we're performing well and above standard, but our availability is 40%, 60%, 30%. So from an overall OEE standpoint, our quality is good, our performance is good, our availability is terrible. We know where we need to focus now that we didn't have before. And I did all that from 1,200 miles away.